set 12. On problem set 12, we're going to look at prime numbers. So here's the official definition. A prime number is a positive integer greater than 1 that is divisible only by itself and 1. So, oops, and 1. The book is wrong. It says number 27 is a prime number. That's not true because I can divide 27 by 3, by 9. So if we take a look at our prime numbers, it's 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and it keeps going on. So that's what it means to be a prime number. Basically, you can't divide anything into it. To factor means we can write things as a product of primes. So we can write it as a product. So for example, if I factored 12, one way I could factor 12 is to say 2 times 6 or 3 times 4. But if we want to factor prime to its primes, we need to make sure that nothing else divides into it. And one way we can do that is to factor to primes by using a factor tree. So if I took a look at 12, one way to look at 12 is we take 12 and we break it down. And we say, hey, 12 can be divided by 2 times 6. So the 2 is a prime number, so I'm going to circle it. I keep it. The 6 can be divided further into 2 times 3. So I keep the 2, I keep the 3. All the things that are circled are my final answer because I can't break them down any further. So if I break 12 down into its prime factors, the answer is 2 times 2 times 3. We usually write our books from smallest to largest, but the book doesn't always do that, just know that. But we usually do. All right, next. Hey, but what if I had gone a different route? What if I had said 12 was 3 times 4? Well, hey, we'll still get to the same answer because watch what happens. 12 breaks down into 3 times 4. Oh, hey, 3 is prime, so I'm going to keep that. I can circle it here. 4 breaks down further into 2 times 2. So, hey, notice 3 times 2 times 2. That's still the same answer that I had gotten back up here, because there's 2 2's and 1 3. And we would write this as 2 times 2 times 3. All right, finally, let's take a look at this. What if I have a negative number? So if I have a negative 6 can break down into negative 2 times 3. But negative 2 can break down even further because that's the same as a negative 1 times 2. So I'll keep those. And 3 breaks down. Oh, can't divide it any further, so it's 3. So the prime factors would be negative 1 times 2 times 3.